already tidy. So we about to lock in track mode. All right. Gonna cinch my seatbelt down a little bit. Trying to remember all the stuff that they're telling me. Second gear is probably good for this. I'm gonna see if I can keep up with this 1LE at all. I doubt it though, because he's on better tires and he's a crack driver. Sauce's bed born to race one. I don't know if I'm just paranoid or not, but it feels like my car is slightly out of alignment already. I mean, we've been doing a lot of crazy stuff, going up on track, on the bank and stuff. To not be getting into ABS. Surface driver assist system. What does that mean? Look, I need to pay attention to the road. I messed up that one. Still got a 112 somehow. I think it's capped. Braking straight line. Try to catch the apex here. Maintenance throttle. Brake. Down to the second. Get in here. On the brake, stay on the inside. Too much slide. Gotta maintain smoothery. Already getting hot. Alright, pay attention to the road here. That's probably an unnecessary shift right there, as you were saying. And I don't want to overdrive the tires because then I won't get any grip. So I need to be more careful here. Okay, I think I'm overheating the tires. I need to be more smooth. I don't need to care much about that guy and what he's doing. I got my 112 for this session, so I'm not too unhappy with that. That's what I want right there. But not this. I'm missing the apex here. Unfortunately, I guess I'll have to be up on his butt more. I smell his brakes like a bee's turger. At least my car can cool down a little bit and watch my line. Lap or two are like the best ones, but I think I was overdriving a little bit, and then got the tires too hot, and after that it's wraps. All right.